All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. AMP token is up over 25%. 25%. That is absolutely awesome. The coin is traded at a very high level. We're going to go through the numbers. We're going to go through why. It's been listed on some new things. Fantastic stuff going on. Also, Dogelon Mars, the most traded for whales, the 1,000 ETH whales, the most traded coin is now Dogelon Mars. We're going to take a minute and talk about that. We're going to do a little thing on Shiba Inu. Are people done with it? I mean, I don't know. Is the Shiba done? So AMP token is up 25%. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person on the planet own some cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, be able to read the charts, and basically understand on what to look for with cryptocurrency. Share this with your friends. With that, let's go ahead and head over to AMP token. All right, over at CoinMarketCap here, AMP token number 65th cryptocurrency. Take a look at this, up 26% in the last 7 days. It's traded at over 6 cents, 6.3, 6.4, okay, 6.353. So it's over 6 cents. Showing the chart here from the last 7 days, it basically went straight up the mountain here, and it went, here was it at? It was at 5 cents, and then boom, straight up, and this is when it started being at 6 cents, 7 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, and it's been like that for the last 7 days. Okay, it dropped a little bit below 6, and it's 5.8, 5.5, but currently right now, this coin is being traded at 6 cents, 0.6354. Go AMP token. So what's new with the AMP token? Well, over here on the Twitter account, Voyager basically listed AMP token. Join us in welcoming AMP token to Voyager. The AMP token acts as collateral to bring security to transactions. Within the same month, AMP token got listed on Voyager. Now, when you get listed on things, that's fantastic because that audience that's using that platform can start using and getting your coin. You know, like Binance. When AMP token got listed on Binance.us, more people started buying the coin, which is fantastic. But the big announcement is right here that AMP token is now listed on Binance. Not Binance.us, it's on that, but Binance.com. People from across the country use Binance to buy their cryptocurrency. So when it just got listed on Binance.com, that's some fantastic news because now every single person on the planet can get some AMP token. Right here it says, did you know that AMP is a collateral that makes flex of payment instant? More than 1.2 billion worth of AMP is currently staked by people all over the globe to back every flex of payment. So 1.2 billion of AMP is staked right now currently, which is fantastic. All right, so jumping over here, Dogelon Mars becomes the most traded altcoin among the top 1,000 ETH wallets. So take a look. Here's Dogelon, and he's basically swimming with the whales. So when whales go and buy cryptocurrency, you obviously can track it on the blockchain and see what they're buying and stuff and see the big purchases. So a lot of people like to follow the whales. Who are the whales buying? What's their top 5 tokens? What's the top 3 tokens? Well, Mana was number 1. Well, Dogelon Mars just flipped it. And now all of a sudden, the whales are buying more Dogelon Mars than any other token. So with that being said, do your research. Do you think it's good to follow what the whales are doing? Or even basically find out what the top 5 tokens, what the whales are doing. But number 1 token that the whales are buying, Dogelon Mars. Fantastic, everybody. Dogelon Mars becomes the most traded altcoin among the top 1,000 ETH wallets. I just want to do a little stats here. Whales have shown interest in Dogelon Mars after the token spiked 250% in the last 30 trading days. The whales basically also like the fact. It also says a recent data shows the whale stats reveal that Elon was the most traded altcoin among the whales a few days ago. The top 1,000 ETH wallets have all gone all in on Elon. Couple serious notes. However, October 21st, Dogelon gave its run to every other altcoin in the market by spiking 4,000%. I mean, that's just amazing. And it says the coin hit it. The coin is up 9,500% since the inception. Pretty good if you got on the Dogelon Mars at the beginning. So let's do a little recap. AMP token is up 25%. Holy cow. AMP token got listed on Binance, .us, and regular Binance. AMP token is listed on Voyager. Oh, go, 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 go. Dogelon Mars is the top traded altcoin for whales. So that's some pretty good news. And last but not least, we're going to talk a little bit about some Shiba Inu. It says right here, Shiba Inu. People are the people done with Shiba coin? You know, Shiba basically was a big thing, and now all of a sudden, who knows? It says the meme-based cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has seen massive drops in the last month, signaling a potential loss of interest from investors. The Shiba coin dropped 60% in value since its October peak. So, you know, again, 60% down. It says the interest in Shiba coin dropped 29% in the last week. The coin's social dominance was down 38%. So give us your thoughts on Shiba Inu coin. People are down with Shiba coin. So Shiba Inu being down in all kinds of areas, are people done with it? I mean, everybody was comparing that, what's the next Shiba Inu, what's the next Shiba Inu? So everybody was hyping over on it, on the Shiba coin. Are they over it? Are you people still into it? I don't know. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. With that, let's head back over to AMP token. All right, back over here at AMP token, it's at 6.06328. So this token says AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant variable assurance for any kind of value transfer using AMP. Network like Flexa can quickly secure transactions for a wide variety of assets use cases. So AMP does a lot of collateral. What's my price prediction on this token? So AMP token right now is up 27% in the last 7 days. I still think by the end of the year or the first quarter of next year, we can get to around 11 or 12 cents, the high that it was at in June when it got listed. Well, it just got listed on 2 more platforms, and again, the numbers are up. So again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but I'm still thinking it's going to get back to the high of 12 cents sometime by the end of the year or the first quarter of next year. With that, let's go ahead and talk about some of these cryptocurrencies ups and downs. Pancake Swap at number 52 here is down 9% in the last 7 days, traded at $13.41. You know, Helium's being traded at $40.59. It was down 6% in the last 7 days. It's back up to 5% in the last 24 hours. Here's an interesting one, Gala. Gala is up 92% in the last 7 days, and it's up 26% in the last 24 hours, traded right around 74 cents. Decentraland is traded at over $5 right now. It's up 37% in the last 7 days. It's up 15% in the last 24 hours. Luna is up 16% in the last 24 hours, up 19% in 7 days. It's traded just under $50, $49.91. Here's Shiba Inu at number 12, down 10% in the last 7 days. Avalanche is down 17% in the last 7 days, up 6% recently. Dogelon's at number 10, 20 cents. Polkadot's at number 9. XRP is at number 7, down 6%. Cardano's at number 6, at 11% down. Solana is down 10%, but it's bounced back up, so it's kind of broke even. We got Binance Coin at number 3, Ethereum at number 2, and Bitcoin rounds at the top 1, traded at 57,379. So with that, we've come up through all kinds of a lineup. We talked about Shiba Inu. You know, we talked about AMP token. We talked about Dogelon Mars, all kinds of things. AMP token's up 25%. Dogelon is the #1 traded token for whales, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Click to subscribe to the channel. We bring you video every single day, Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Saturdays and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock. Bringing you a bonus video every day, once in a while, around 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. Hey, everybody, it's a fantastic Monday. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and let's have a fantastic day today.